Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Silent Hill nurse mask is probably one of the most iconic and terrifying pieces of horror memorabilia, instantly recognizable to fans of the acclaimed video game series and its film adaptations, making it a must-have for collectors and cosplayers alike who want to embody the chilling atmosphere and unsettling dread that defines the Silent Hill universe. And this particular mask aims to capture that essence with remarkable accuracy and detail, promising to deliver a truly immersive and frightening experience for anyone who dons it. Number 5. Nuanchu Medical Cotton Cast Padding Roll. Experience superior comfort with our soft cotton cast padding. Its breathable design ensures a comfortable fit for extended wear. This versatile padding is perfect for medical casts, art projects, and crafting. Its adaptability makes it a must-have for various needs. Each roll comes individually packed for maximum hygiene and convenience. This ensures you always have a clean, ready-to-use product. With a generous length of 8.8 feet per roll, you'll have plenty for any project. It provides ample material for wrapping and crafting. Beyond medical use, it's perfect for creating unique Halloween costumes, masks, and various craft projects. Let your creativity flow. The gentle nature of this material makes it ideal for sensitive skin. It provides a soft cushion without irritation. What we like. This option offers excellent absorbency and a soft feel, making it perfect for various craft projects. If you're looking for a reliable material for mask making or other creative endeavors, this is a great choice. Its individual packaging also ensures convenience and hygiene. What people say. The mask is made of high-quality latex, ensuring durability and a realistic look. Its intricate design perfectly captures the iconic Silent Hill nurse aesthetic, making it a great prop for cosplay or Halloween. The mask is surprisingly comfortable to wear, with good visibility through the eye holes. Number 4. Hercicy Women's Nurse Dress Costume Set. Step into character with this complete nurse costume set. It includes everything you need for a perfect Halloween or cosplay look. Featuring a classic white short-sleeve medical lab coat, this outfit offers a traditional and recognizable nurse aesthetic. The set comes with a matching nurse cap and footed pantyhose to ensure a fully coordinated and convincing costume. Ideal for Halloween parties, cosplay events, or any themed gathering where you want to stand out. Designed for comfort, you can wear this costume all night long. It's easy to put on and take off. Crafted from durable materials, this costume is built to last for multiple wears and events. What we like. Get a full, authentic nurse look with this comprehensive costume set. It includes everything you need for a convincing portrayal. If you're aiming for a classic and comfortable Halloween or cosplay outfit, this is the perfect ensemble. What people say. The mask is made of durable latex and has a realistic, unsettling design that perfectly captures the iconic Silent Hill nurse aesthetic. It fits comfortably and allows for good visibility, making it ideal for cosplay or Halloween events. The attention to detail in the paintwork and texture gives the mask a truly authentic and creepy appearance. Number 3. Nicky Biggs Novelties Blank White Mask. Get ready to transform this blank canvas into your masterpiece. Perfect for costumes, parties, or any creative endeavor you can imagine. With a smooth, white surface, the possibilities are truly endless. Let your imagination run wild and design something unique. Designed for comfort, you can wear it for hours of fun. It's lightweight and easy to decorate. Crafted from quality materials, it's built to last. You'll love the feel and durability. Don't wait to start creating. This is the perfect base for your next amazing project. What we like. This blank mask provides a perfect canvas for your creativity. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to wear and easy to decorate. If you want to design a unique, personalized mask for your costume, this is the ideal starting point. What people say. The mask is a faithful replica of the Silent Hill nurse mask, capturing the eerie and unsettling aesthetic perfectly. The material used is durable and holds its shape well, ensuring it looks good even after multiple uses. The mask is designed for a comfortable fit, with adequate ventilation to prevent it from becoming too hot during wear. Number 2. Halloween Fake Blood Makeup Kit. Get ready to transform your look with our realistic fake blood. It's perfect for creating gruesome and convincing special effects for any costume. Our formula is designed to look incredibly real, but don't worry about stains. It's easily washable from clothes and skin. This kit includes both a spray and a dripping formula for versatile application. Achieve the perfect bloody effect every time. Whether you're a vampire, zombie, or monster, this special effects makeup is your secret weapon. Elevate your cosplay to the next level. Creating professional-looking special effects has never been easier. Just a few sprays or drips will give you a terrifyingly convincing look. The vibrant red color is sure to make an impact. It's safe for use and designed for maximum visual appeal. What we like. Achieve a truly gruesome and realistic effect with this fake blood set. The washable formula makes cleanup a breeze, and the dual application options offer versatility. If you're aiming for a convincing zombie, vampire, or monster look, this is essential for your special effects makeup. What people say. The mask is a great replica of the Silent Hill nurse mask. The material is durable and holds its shape well. It's comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 1. Halloween Faceless Mask and Glove Set. Step into the shadows with this complete costume set. It includes a full face mask and full finger gloves, perfect for any mysterious character. Achieve an enigmatic appearance with this unisex adult costume accessory. The faceless mask and gloves are designed to add an air of mystery to your cosplay. Elevate your Halloween or masquerade outfit with this striking set. The seamless design ensures a striking and cohesive look for any themed event. Designed for adults, this set offers both comfort and versatility. Wear them together for a full transformation or separately to complement other costumes. This essential costume piece is suitable for everyone. Its universal design makes it a fantastic addition to any adult's dress-up collection. What we like. Create an air of mystery and intrigue with this full-face mask and glove set. It provides complete coverage for a striking and enigmatic look. If you're seeking a costume that offers anonymity and a touch of the uncanny, this is the perfect choice for adults. What people say. The mask is made of high-quality latex, which gives it a realistic and creepy look. The mask fits comfortably and allows for good visibility, making it great for cosplay or Halloween. The attention to detail in the design is impressive, with realistic blood splatters and stitches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.